When you say that the purpose of Uexport is to help people get on the ground in France, but why is Uexport different? I can assume there are many people in this space.
I'm not too sure that there are many people in this space. I think there's probably quite a few consultants in the space. I think government organisations like Board BIA and Enterprise Ireland may be helping Irish companies to a certain extent. The difference with a Uexport is that we are actually an extension of your marketing sales function on the ground. You, as a medium-sized company, have an option to spend 80 or 100,000 euros on getting somebody and putting somebody on the ground over there, or you could use us to do exactly the same job as it were on a part-time basis for a fraction of the price.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think when we look at organisations like Board BIA and Enterprise Ireland, I think they do an outstanding job. But they only take you so far. They'll help you with some research, they'll help you with, take you to the buyers, they take you to certain, but they won't actually do that detailed work that's required to actually do business in France.
Close business.
To close business. That's not their remit.
So why Uexport?
What appealed to me about Uexport was the idea of two people, yourself and myself, as the principals, on the ground, like grown men. We've been around the block, we've been involved in many companies over the years and had our successes and failures, no doubt. But with a strong knowledge of the country, the culture, the language, how to do business there. We know how to assess a market opportunity, we know how to assess a company, whether it's capable of exporting or not. And I just thought that that kind of physical presence on the ground, a strong office here in Dublin, a strong office in France, we could cover both bases and provide a pretty unique service, I think.
So is Uexport a consultancy, or is it?
Yeah, Uexport, certainly it is a consultancy at the initial phases. Typically it's a strategic partnership, is perhaps a better way to describe it than a consultancy, where we partner up with the company. The company understands their products or services, what they can manage, what they can build, what they can't build, what they can sell, how they can distribute here internally in Ireland. We understand the French market, and we can marry those two together in a strategic partnership. We fund it together, we do the exploration together, and we try to get to a point where we can then take them and represent them. Ideally, our model is to be a distributor. Ultimately, after initial research and branding preparation, that we actually take the product for them to the marketplace and manage that marketplace and develop and grow that marketplace for that company.